The 2009 GMC SIERRA 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.